feel the I have to eat more rice so my stomach is but I try my best. I try my best to. And you, my age. Oh, my age. You ask my age. How I look like? How you judge how my age is? Huh? You look at me, how young I am. I am the age of. You be the one to judge. Judge me, judge. Where I am.
Malang gawas ng Christmas ron. Ba?
How I look like? I look like
I look,
20s. I look like 30s or something.
you look like stupid.
Mm. Comment guys, comment. Sibog sa lagi mo. What's this? Very rough. Very starving. Asa ka diri or diha?
Hmm?
Nana ka? Kalungon man ako na telephone na.
Si anak ko.
Nya na
Uy!
Oh, naputi man ni Dani. Unsa din eh? Unsa din na? This looks like. Okay, guys, we will go to sleep now because it's already 10 o'clock in the evening. We need to wake up early in the morning because we're going to school. Wait, that's my job every day. I'm going to send my son to school, going home, going back and forth, like every day. Every day is my job. Get up my
Every day.
son going to school and back home and need to prepare breakfast, lunch. Oh,
And
one time dance. Oh, I'm tired tonight. You can see in my dance on my short videos. I dance there. Okay. What's up? Mm, there you go.
Mang, kabalo ka sa mga kinatay sa the end. Ano o? Di ba?
Huh?
Nay anak dani. Kuan mo liko-liko. Liko ba anak?
What's the
Dayon anak. Then anak. Dayon anak. Then
seven
anak.
bomber?
Anak. Dayon. Then anak.
Dance one time. I say,
Na iminaw. Naminaw man eh.
no, my TikTok. I can't open anymore my TikTok. I don't know.
Tawas ako ma.
Mm.
Di ba ang kinatay sa the end kay ana, then ana, then ana, ug ana, abala ko eh.
Mm.
Ana, ug ana, ug ana, ug ana, ay dili ana, then ana, dayon ana, then ana, ana, ana ra. Kay kinatay good.
I appreciate my TikTok. I always dance with my TikTok. I don't know my TikTok is working. Okay, bye guys. I'm going. We need to sleep. It's late night.